Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Toyota Corolla Verso using an easy method. First, always ensure your vehicle is in park or neutral for safety. Next, confirm the parking brake is engaged. Then, insert the key fully into the ignition switch. Finally, depress the brake pedal firmly with your right foot. This prepares your vehicle for a smooth start. Now, let's move to the ignition sequence. Turn the key to the ACC position first. This powers your accessories like the radio. Then, rotate the key to the on position. You'll see various dashboard lights illuminate. Wait a few seconds for these lights to extinguish, indicating the vehicle's systems are ready for the next step. To engage the engine, turn the key further to the start position. Hold it there for just 1 or 2 seconds. As soon as the engine begins to run smoothly, release the key. It will automatically spring back to the on position. Avoid holding the key in start for too long, as this can strain the starter motor. After starting your Corolla Verso, perform a quick check. Verify that no warning lights remain illuminated on your dashboard. Once you are ready to drive, release the parking brake. In colder weather, it's a good practice to let the engine idle for a few moments. Finally, ensure all occupants are safely buckled before you begin your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.